In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in fields in Framer. We'll start inside your Framer project for popular domain. Once you're in the canvas, head to the left-hand panel and open the CMS. This is where all of your structured content lives, and it's the place to define what kind of data your site stores, like text, images, and links. Inside the CMS, open Collections. Collections are the content types that power your pages, like posts, listings, or products. From here, go to Fields. Fields define what information each item in the collection can hold. If you want a field to accept a URL and behave like a link, this is where you make that change. Now, choose the field that's highlighted in your interface. That's the one we're updating. Click it to open its settings, then select the link option. In Framer CMS, a link field is designed for clean, validated URLs and makes connecting to internal pages or external websites more reliable than using a plain text field. This helps prevent formatting issues and keeps your content consistent. You'll see a few highlighted options and confirmations as you proceed. Follow the highlighted prompts and confirm with Yes where indicated to apply the link behavior to that field. If you see a highlighted toggle that suggests making the field optional or required, choose the option shown on screen, yes or no, so your schema matches the intended setup. When you click Yes, you're confirming changes like converting the field type or enabling a setting. When you click No, you're keeping the current choice. Continue through the highlighted confirmations until you've completed the adjustments for the link field. Next, click on the No Items state in the collection. This opens the empty collection view and is a quick way to double-check that your updated field appears correctly in the item editor. Even if you're not adding content right now, it's helpful to preview how the field will look so you can confirm the label, placeholder, and link behavior are as expected. When everything looks right, go ahead and publish. Publishing applies your CMS changes to the live project, ensuring that any components or pages bound to this collection recognize the updated link field. If your design uses data bindings, the link props will now be available to connect to buttons, text links, or cards without extra formatting. That's it. Your field now supports proper links. Keep this approach in mind whenever you need structure.